Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Welcome to Special Car Stoke. What an absolutely incredible car we've got here. One we've just taken in part exchange direct from the last owner. It is an incredible car, fantastic specification. We believe the factory fitted options are somewhere around £8,300 worth of options. The want options on this car: Daytona Grey, Audi S3 Sportback S-Tronic. What an incredible car it is. I'll try to remember all the specification, but it is all listed below. As I mentioned, nearly £8,300 worth of options from what we can work out. It's got the fabulous 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, the chrome roof rails as you can see from the outside. Other options include the virtual cockpit, technology pack, comfort pack, advanced key, heated seats, folding mirrors, front and rear parking. It's got the LED matrix lights as well, extended warranty for 4 years or 80,000 miles. The virtual cockpit, as I mentioned. What an incredible car, 300 brake horsepower, quattro 4-wheel drive. Let me take you all the way around the car. Registered in December, 29th of December to be exact, 2018, on a 68 plate. The car is absolutely beautiful, as you can see. It really is an incredible car. So as you can see, the rear parking sensors on that. Look at those gorgeous twin exit exhaust pipes on there. Nice and clean inside. It's got the load liner as well to protect all the interior. Totally unmarked. It really is a beautiful car. Also got the optional space saver wheel as well. That was a factory fitted option. As I take you around, I'll try to remember I see all the options on the vehicle. Bodywork is totally unmarked, as you can see. Absolutely beautiful all the way around. No little nasty dings down the side anywhere. No scratches, no scuffs. Really has been cherished all the way through. All the wheels 19-inch, totally unmarked, all original. We did the videos to show you we have nothing to hide, every single car, so you get a good close-up of exactly what you're going to be getting. We're going to be being fully transparent, nothing to hide. Only the best cars in the country. So before you just compare the price, make sure you compare the quality of every single car. Look at that gorgeous inside, isn't that beautiful? You can just smell the leather out of here. If we'd got a smell on here, you could smell it there. Totally unmarked. Little cubby hole in there. Still got the original high-vis vest in there. Advanced key. So as long as you've got the key in the pocket, it'll start. All the trims everywhere there. Bang & Olufsen upgraded stereo. Just look at that driver's seat. Absolutely as new, of course. S-line embossed. Front center armrest. USB AUX been put in there. Charging facility as well. Of course, quattro drive as I mentioned. Sure-footed handling with the quattro drive. SD cards in there. And we're away. Everything nice and easy to display on the front there. All of course controlled by all these buttons down here. Very easy to navigate around. Navigation just loading up on that. So while that's doing that, I'll show you there. We've got drive select. Various driving modes on there. Heated seats, dual zone climate control. So there's navigation, drive modes, efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, just to get it absolutely perfect for how you would like to drive the car. Of course, the S-Tronic gearbox, sport mode on there. I can drive it like a manual if you so wished. Also got the pedal shift change, down the gear, up the gear on the right hand side. Onboard computer, 12,526,000 miles, that's what it's done, 12,526. That's the virtual cockpit on it that everybody loves. Isn't that fabulous? Just straight in front of you, no distractions to keep looking to the side. Cruise control. You've got the heated mirrors, the folding mirrors. Again, a great option. Of course, automatic lights, automatic wipers, auto hold. What an incredible car. Beautiful all the way around. It really is a one-off. If you're looking for a high spec car, I don't believe you'll find another one like it in the country. Still the manufacturer's warranty, as I mentioned, you've got the extended warranty as well. Of course, we welcome part exchange, great finance, all available direct from ourselves. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 to ensure that nobody else beats you to it. Read about our raving fans review and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. You will not be disappointed with any of our cars and our full after sales facilities. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Anything else, we're just at the end of the phone. Phone number is 01782 822 700. That's 01782 822 700. We make buying and selling a car a very simple, easy and pleasurable process. We really do. So there it is, our absolutely stunning, very high spec Audi S3. Multi-award winning dealer in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.